Hello friend, in this tutorial I'm going to explain you about Pandas series. So series is the one of the data structure Pandas provides us to create the data set. So let's see what is Pandas series. So series is the one dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type. So the types are integer, string, float, Python, object. So basically series is a one dimensional labeled array and in it we can hold the data of type like integer, string, float, Python object, etc. So let's see the syntax. So the syntax of the Python series, Pandas series is panda dot series, and we pass data value here, and next we can pass index, we can pass data type, we can assign pass the copy as a true or false. So these three options are optional, and this is the compulsory. We must provide the data value, or if we don't provide, it will create an empty series. So let's see what are the ways we can uh, uh, create this Pandas series. So a series can be created using various inputs like array, dictionary, scalar value, or constant value. So we can create Pandas series using array as input value, dictionary as an input value, scalar value, or constant value. Let's see this how we can create a series using array. So this is first we need to import the pandas module, and as pd is an alias, so that we don't have to call pandas means this many string uh, to call the series function. So what I'm doing, uh, instead of mm, calling the pandas, I'm creating an alias in short form called pd. So next we have to import numpy as np. So np is an alias for numpy. Numpy is a module, and using this module I'm trying to create an array because Python doesn't provide any way to create array. So we need numpy to create an array. So here I'm creating the array and assigning the value to the data variable. So this is the way we can create array. And next I'm calling the pandas series constructor. Sorry, last time I have said this as a function, but this is the constructor. So pd dot series, and in that I'm providing the data variable, and finally I am printing the uh, variable as, and this will give return or print the series value. So let's see how it works in the notebook. So this is the code, and when I will run, it gives us this as an output. So this is the series, and this first column is the index value, and second column is uh, the value of that particular index, and here it is showing the data type. So it is an object data type. So next is we can create series using dictionary. So simply here I'm trying to call similarly, I'm trying to call the import the pandas and numpy module, and here I'm creating dictionary. So if you don't know, dictionary is the data structure provided by the Python, and if you don't know the concept of the dictionary, please visit this concept, and it is Python's concept. So here again I'm calling the series constructor and passing the data to the series constructor and printing the s value. So let's see this example. Here I have copied same code and I'm trying to execute. So see here again I'm getting the constructor series. So ABC is the index, and 0 1 2 this is the float type. So here you can see the data type is float 64, so float value to each index. So this is how we can create the series using dictionary. So next we can create series using scalar. So here in a scalar, simply we pass the scalar value, and we have to use this index option in series constructor, and we have to pass how many indexes we want to create. So 0 1 2 3 here I have given, and similarly I'm trying to finally print the series created using scalar value. So let's see what will be the output of this code. So here see 0 1 2 3 is the index value. So 0 1 2 3 I'm getting as index value in first column, and 5 5 5 I'm assigning I have assigned 5 as a scalar value. So I'm also getting the 5 as a value of each index, and the data type is integer 64. So that's how we can create this series using scalar value. So that's it. This much in the these are all the ways we can create ways we can use to create this series. So thank you for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, and I keep releasing new video on pandas, so keep visiting my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.